We will now be doing a lesson out of classroom mathematics. So we're going to look at chapter 11, construction of geometric figures. The first section is construction. So what I need you to do is to get your compass set, and I'd need you to also construct the images and the figures as I explain them. First thing we're going to do is bisect an angle. So place a compass point on vertex B, then draw an arc which cuts AB and BC at P and Q respectively. Place a compass point on point P and draw an arc as shown between points A and C. Without changing the compass width, place a compass point on point Q and draw an arc which cuts the arc drawn in step 3 at R. Using a ruler, draw a line from B through R to bisect ABC. Next up, we're going to construct angles measuring 60 degrees, 30 degrees, and 15 degrees. Draw a line and mark points A and B on this line. Placing the compass point at point A, draw an arc which cuts AB at C. Without adjusting the compass width, place the compass point at point C and draw an arc which cuts the first arc at D. Then draw a line from point A through D, the intersection of the two arcs. DAB measures 60 degrees, angle DAB. Now bisect DAB as described above, giving angle EAB equal to 30 degrees. Then bisect angle EAB in the same way, giving angle GAB equal to 15 degrees. Now constructing angles measuring multiples of 60 degrees. Draw a line segment and mark points O and A on this line as shown. Using O as the radius and placing the compass point at O, draw a circle. Placing the compass point at A and without adjusting the radius or compass width, mark off an arc which cuts the circle at B. We can then indicate that this angle will be equal to 60 degrees. Now placing the compass point at B and without adjusting the radius, mark off an arc which cuts the circle at C. Continue in this manner until you have constructed 5 arcs, drawing a line from the center of the circle to each point where the arcs intersect the circle. You will notice that each new angle at O measures 60 degrees, thus to draw an angle of 120, you will need to mark off 2 arcs so that angle COA is equal to 120 degrees. Now drawing a perpendicular from a point on a line. Draw a line and mark point C on the line. Place the compass point on point C and draw arcs which cut the line at points A and B. Placing the compass point on A, draw an arc with a radius greater than AC above the line. Without changing the compass width, place the compass point on B and draw an arc which cuts the arc drawn in step 3. Label the point where the arcs drawn in step 3 and step 4 intersect D. Draw a line joining D and C. Angle DCB is equal to 90 degrees. Now drawing a perpendicular from a point to a line. We start to draw a perpendicular from point C to line AB. We place the compass point at point C. Draw an arc large enough to cut AB at points E and F. Then without changing the compass width, place the compass point at E and draw an arc below AB. Then place the compass point at F and without changing the compass width, draw an arc which cuts the arc drawn from E in step 3 at G. Using a ruler, join points C and G. CG is perpendicular to AB. Now that we've worked through these constructions, you can do exercise 11.1.